The first thanks is obviously to Steve and his family. This is his property. He lets us second time now come here and take over his garden. So can you just give him a round of applause for me, please? For let us take the place over. And we apologise in advance for any sort of sand cars that have ruined it again, but we'll deal with that after. We've got our sponsors to thank, obviously. Second time running, we've got VW Airstyle magazine. So if you can give them a round of applause. They've got their show coming up on the 14th and 15th of July. 14th, 15th and 16th of July over at Penhurst Place. If you've not been to that place, it's a camping event. It's really good. I go every year. It's a wicked place. We've got Maguire's as always, obviously second time with us again. They're obviously giving us the goodie bags, always looking after us as they do. So a round of applause for Maguire's, please. You may have noticed one or two BMWs on the greens. That's obviously because we've got total BMW here, Buffy. So if you could thank BMW, second year running for them as well. And new this year, we've got Identity Wraps, Andy and his mate.
One of us.
Oh, one of you. You're not even Andy, are you?
No, I'm Harry.
All right, so we've got Harry from Identity Wraps. Where's Andy gone?
The apprentice somewhere.
Thanks anyway. So we obviously, first time, hopefully the first of many, but thanks for coming along. And obviously, Nav all day been banging the tunes out. I think you'll agree they've been like proper tunes. Just sort of nice in the background going on there. Another quick one. We've got our photographers. So we've got Jack's Film, we've got Hand-Built Cars, and we've got Ian McKenzie Photography. All come down. Some of them quite a long journey to make this, and we really appreciate you guys coming down. So look at their YouTube channels, look at their Instas and all the socials. You'll see obviously our pictures, and you'll see a lot more. These really are good guys. And we've got other people who travelled down, like Low Collective, Oh So Retro. They've obviously got their own shows, and they you know, come and support with us here today, and we really do appreciate that. Low Collective show is on the 9th and 10th of September. Absolutely banging show. We love that one, don't we? We really do like that one. And obviously the same with Oh So Retro down at Margate there. Wicked show. If you like cars, you'll like Oh So Retro, because it's got every single car you can think of. That's on the 24th of September. Probably sold out in about 6 minutes as soon as it goes online. But I'm sure Lee's here. If you pin him down, he'll give you a ticket. And then we've got obviously the food and drink guys over in the back there. They've been slugging away, you know, in their little boxes all day long. I just want a thanks. Can you give me a round of applause for them guys down there, because you know they've been in there all day. Right, so I think that's it on the thanks front. I did thank all you lot, didn't I? I did say thanks to all you lot. Yeah, cool. So what we'll do is we'll do the sponsors' choices first, and then we'll go for top 6. So we had obviously a ballot box. That was the people's choice, and that went to. Did I write that down? Mike's E30 over there. It's E30 over there. Mike, where are you, mate? Well done, mate. Top stuff. Round of applause for Mike. We've got Identity's Choice. Do you want to come up here then, mate? You might as well do it if Andy's decided to leave halfway through the show.
Exactly. Don't worry, I sorted myself.
Oh, there it is. Is that there? Who said you weren't here?
Yeah, I was seeing myself.
Hate it when nature calls, don't you? Just got to go.
Yeah, no, that's just what we done, but I didn't like it. Don't worry about it.
That was option B, wasn't it?
I don't know who's Andy voted for.
There you go, mate.
Who's you voted for?
Oh yeah, better tell me, don't it? You voted for the
grey Scirocco.
Yes, you did. Correct, yes. The Scirocco around this side here.
Whose is that?
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Well done, mate.
How many got more yet? Yeah, 2.
There's more, there's more. Look at you. Well done, mate. We've got VW Airstyle Magazine's Choice. I don't think Spence wanted to come up. Oh, is he? Good man. Spence.
Thank you very much. So there's some great air-cooled rides here, but our favourite was the squareback. So
that one just there.
Bag as well. Full now. So mate, well done, yeah. Well done.
Cheers.
Well done, mate. Maguire's choice, Tom?
Well, nice and simple. The 350Z that's sat over here, just beautiful. I don't know whose it is though.
Phil, where is it? The 300. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, yes. Sorry. Good knowledge as well. Right, nice.
Thank you. Who did that leave? That leaves Buffy with total BMW. Do you want to take it, Buffy?
Yes, amazing being today, but my choice was Gaz's E30 Power right here.
Well done, mate. And again, thanks again to the sponsors for chipping in and being here and obviously handing them out. We really do appreciate that. So let's move on to the top 6. No particular order. Oh, this one's going to do me. There's a red car over there, and it's like the word pizza, but it's Piazza. Sorry, mate. Thank you. Well done, mate. Well done. Really clean car. Really clean. We've got an absolutely gorgeous E9, blue E9 just there. Gentleman made the trip all the way from Belgium this morning, left his house at the crack of dawn, jumped on a train. There you come. Well done, mate. And thanks for making the journey. Well done, mate. Stunning car, absolutely stunning.
There you go. I didn't see that one coming.
Thank you, mate. Again, no particular order. There is a gnarly little light blue imp on the right hand side, just behind that flag there. We like that one as well. Who owns that one? Is that you, mate? Is it an imp or a singer?
Yeah,
Imp. Top work.
Good man.
Next on the list is a greeny bluey Merc SL, the one down there in front of Identity Wraps stall. Banging car, that one. Well done, mate. This was another favourite of ours. It was the Ratty Corvette. Just as you come in the gates down on the right hand side, you're looking this way, left hand side. Right up our street, this one, awesome car. Well done, mate.
Well done, buddy. Top man. Well done. There you go.
And last but by no means least, the cute little goldy, browny, chocolatey Honda Civic there. There she comes. Well done.
Bring this passport car.
You could have brought that. We would have brought it to you.
Thank you. I've
Well
never
done.
won anything.
There you go.
Well done.
Thank you.
Okay, so a big round of applause for all of the winners, all of the sponsors, and all to yourself obviously coming today. Again, we really do appreciate it. I know it's been a bit unbearable with the heat and that, but you know, it's better to be sunny than rainy, obviously, yeah. Oh yeah, we've got one little thank you, just to, obviously we've got a team of helpers, but one particular is Bobby. She helps us, you know, from start to finish, brings us sandwiches, puts what they're called on them, and a little ham and cheese and everything. We want to thank Bobby. A massive thanks for you. Thank you, Bobby. So again, thanks very much, guys. We'll obviously be back next year. Whether it's going to be here, we don't know yet. We're sort of getting quite busy now. We don't know. Just check our socials and we'll let you know what's happening. But again, I really do appreciate, we really do appreciate you coming down and all the sponsors sticking with us and going forward. We hope you do. So safe journey home, and I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.